Welcome to Softaken Password Recovery Tools. Unlock full potential, one powerful suite. Get access to all essential features in a single tool. Supports multiple file formats. Excel files, .xlsx/.xls. Word documents, .docs/.doc. PDF files, .pdf. PowerPoint presentations, .pptx/.ppt. User-friendly interface. Clean, easy-to-use layout. Step-by-step guided process to remove passwords. Password removal functionality. Enter the known password to unlock files. Quickly removes protection without any data loss. File selection and output path options. Easily browse and select the protected file. Password remover software. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download and launch the software. Begin by opening the application. Its intuitive and user-friendly interface ensures a smooth experience for all users. Step 2. Select the file. Click on Browse to locate and select the password-protected file you wish to process. Step 3. Enter the password. Input the correct password associated with the file. Accuracy is key. Ensure the password is entered exactly as it was set. Step 4. Auto path selection. The tool intelligently selects the output path, saving the unlocked file in the same directory as the original for easy access. Step 5. Remove the password. Click the Remove Password button. The software will process the file and generate an unprotected version. Step 6. Final note. Your original file remains untouched. A new, password-free copy is created, keeping your data safe, secure, and intact. For more info, visit our website. Thanks for watching.